Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dionne and I am the owner of Mosaics. Now, if you're new here, this is where I share my creative world, how I play with texture, walk you through my process, and you'll get a feel of the sense of no, that's not what you were going for it. Then you had a good flow and then you lost it, girlfriend. Do it again. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dionne and I am so happy to I'm happy. Again. Hey everyone, my name is Dionne and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're here all the time. Shit. I nearly fell off the chair. Oh my God, how many times am I gonna have to do this? Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you're here to stay. Really? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dionne and if you are new here, welcome. This is where I share my creative process, how I play with texture, and you'll get into the inside of my mind as to how I think and feel about how I create pieces. So if that's what you're interested in, then you're in the right place.